class we discussed the second section of the first chapter, okay, on both sides. Here we discuss the last section of this chapter. It's the smallest chapter in the seventh standard, okay. So here we in previous class we discussed about these angles, okay. We learned the sum of this two angle is 180 degree, and this angle is also called linear pair, okay. A pair of angle goes like this is called linear pair. Here the sum of this angle is 180 degree, okay. A pairs of angles go like this, then these angles are called linear pair. So this is a linear pair. Then next, write the subheading cutting across. Here this angle is given 60 degree. Then how much is this angle? We know this angle is 120 degree because this is a linear pair. And I extend this line on downwards. Then we get two more extra angles. Then how much is this angles? How much is this angles? Here the angles at top and also bottom and left side and right side of these slanted lines also form a linear pair, okay. So this is a linear pair on the bottom side of on the top side of this line, and here also this is the bottom side, right? Here also a linear pair is formed, and this is also a linear pair on the left side of this slanted line, and the right side of this slanted line also form a linear pair. So first we take these two angles. We know the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. This angle is 120. So what is this angle? This angle is 60 degree. And here also this angle is 60, and these two angles also form a linear pair. And what is this angle? How much? This angle is 120 degree. 120 degree. So here this is 120, this 60, 120. Using this technique, we reach another principle. Among the four angles made by two lines cutting across each other, the sum of each pair of nearby angle is 180 degree. 120 plus 60, so this nearby angle is, the sum of this nearby angle is 180, and also this nearby angle is 180, and this angle is 180, this also 180, and the opposite angles are equal. Here these are the opposite angle, so this 120 and this also 120, and the opposite angle, this also an opposite angle, and this is 60 and this is also 60 degree. So this is the principle. This is the last principle we learned in this chapter. When among the four angles made by two lines cutting across each other, then each pair of nearby angle is 180 degree and the opposite angles are equal. For example, write the question. Calculate the angles. Calculate the angles. See here, this angle is 130. So we want to find, the question is calculate the angles. How much is this angle and this and this? Okay, here the one angle is given 130 degree. We learned the principle, the sum of the nearby angle is 180. So this, here the angle is 130, this angle should be 50 degree. 130 plus 50, 180. Also we learned the opposite angles are equal. This is 130, this is also 130 degree, and this angle 50 and this 50 degree. Okay. So this is the last section we discussed in this chapter today, and this chapter is over adding angles. This is the simplest and very easiest chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Today's section is over. Thank you.